A very warm good evening to all my dear students as well as parents of Neet UG aspirants. Today somebody asked me I want to know what would be my predicted rank on 300 marks. So I told them go and visit www.neetadmission.in. Somebody also asked me what would be my predicted colleges. I told them to go and visit again www.neetadmission.in. Somebody asked me how would I come to know the hospital attached to a medical college, it's IPD and OPD. Again I asked them go and visit www.neetadmission.in. Somebody asked me I need a choice filling assistance while filling the choices when the counseling begins. So I asked them go for AI supported choice filling assistance and visit www.neetadmission.in. So what are you waiting for? What are you looking at? Is it the rank predictor? Is it the college predictor? Is it the IPD or OPD of the hospital? Or even you're looking for choice filling assistance, or even for the sake are you looking for what were the closing ranks round wise, counseling wise? Again I would say visit www.neetadmission.in. Yes, we have uploaded all the closing ranks across all the counselings which are being held in India, and you can also check the closing ranks according to the rounds, round 1, round 2, round 3, as well as you can also look at closing ranks with different categories, okay, which is SC, ST, OBC. Lot of different categories in Karnataka. There are a lot of different categories in Andhra, Telangana. You can get all the closing cutoffs across all the categories on www.neetadmission.in. So what are you waiting for? Go and check out the website. And at the last, somebody asked me, Naveen sir, whom to get in touch with for complete comprehensive guidance on counseling? Again I said, this time do visit neetadmission.in and visit our office in Pune. We'll guide you with the best of the opportunities across all the counselings on your marks, be it under NRI quota, management quota, or merit quota. So what are you all waiting for? Go and visit the website, and if you're looking for comprehensive guidance on admissions, be it under NRI category, management category, or under merit category based out on your marks, ranks, you can always get in touch with us. We'll be very glad to help you. I'm Naveen Harjwani, having a counseling and admission guidance experience of 19 years. And thanking you all for watching this video. God bless you all, and I wish everyone a very, very bright 2026 counseling session. God bless you all.